Hey everybody, we are at Stamperia, going to show you the collections from Antonis and Sarah, Monica, Christina, Johanna. So I'm just going to show you guys. They have some amazing papers, collections, die cuts. This one's called Imagine. So pretty. All right. Then we have these molds. Oh, I love those. And then some stamps, stencils, chipboard, clay, crackle paste. And then this is a rice paper. Love it. Okay, so here's a look at the collections here. Alright, and then we have Mechanical Fantasy. Love this. Oh, and then the stamps. The cat is so cute. Alright, I'm gonna pan around. Come over this way. Oh, SeaWorld, Mechanical SeaWorld. I don't have any of their stuff. It's pretty amazing. And I'm going to do a demo with Antonis. Antonis, I think is how you pronounce his name. So I'm super excited. And then we have Monica's stuff here. Gorgeous. Alright. That's pretty amazing. Alright. All these examples here. Alright. Oh, this is Alice. Love this. We've got Christina. This is Cosmos. Love this. Oh, I think it's right here. I love these chipboards, papers, and then we have forest, and then the stamps, the stencils, more paper. So many amazing things to see here. And Johanna's collection, so cute. Stencils and chipboard and oh my gosh. And she is the sweetest person. Love this. It's so cute. The Creativation show is now open. Make today amazing. All right. I'm just going to pan these collections here. They're so cute, and I think it's the owner of Stamperia was telling us that every collection has a story about her life. So it's pretty amazing. So pretty cool. Alright, that is a look at the Stamperia booth and all their collections and amazing products. Thanks for watching.